Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. I am the pound trader making an analysis for the pound USD on Wednesday the 10th of July 2024. Welcome. So starting over on the weekly time frame, I have been, I think price has been moving on a downtrend. I can see that we still haven't been able to break above this weekly resistance, and I am in the hopes of the pound still selling. I've been on the sell side for quite a minute, and I still think that there is the potential for us to continue selling. Now, despite last week closing this bullish candle, we still didn't close above this level here. So I'm really hoping that this week we can now start making those bearish candles. So that I can start getting my sell entries. Okay, now going over to the daily time frame. So going over to the daily time frame, we can see here that on Tuesday the 9th of July, this is the candle that we closed with, almost like a bearish candle, but with equal wicks on both sides. And I think we also have like a pin bar here, but it's not like the cleanest pin bar because it still has a long wick. But I think this is still a good indication that, I should still continue looking for sells. I was a bit scared if price closes above, but we can see on Tuesday we had I think some news. It spiked up and then we still closed below this level here. So this is still indication for me that I want to look for sells. So going over to the 4-hour time frame, so we can see here, this is the pullback that we had. I put my trend line here because I think this is the swing point that we have. Now, because I am looking for sells, I didn't really get a sell position here because I wanted this candle to close as a bearish engulfing, but I will show you what position I was able to take yesterday. For today, I'm really hoping that price, as much as price is on this trend line, maybe I'm hoping that maybe can push up a bit, but I'm hoping that it doesn't close above this level over here. And I do have an alert here just to notify me in case price reaches this level, then I should know what to do. However, I think the best way to work around this, in my opinion, is maybe to wait for this trend line to break. Maybe a retracement for those of you who trade on the 4-hour time frame, and then maybe look for those sells. But because I'm an intraday trader, I like to typically look for one trade a day. It hasn't been the easiest, but that's just what I prefer. Maybe now I can go over to the 1-hour time frame and just show you maybe. Okay, so we can see now on the 1-hour time frame that price is still, what is it called? It's creeping up on this trend line here, but we have like a bearish candle over here as well. And I don't know if it's forming 2 minutes to close. And I would hope that maybe for a good entry is to wait probably for this trend line to break and probably Tuesday's low, which is in this maroon color, maybe get a retracement and then now look for sells. That would be ideally what I'd be looking at. However, yesterday I did take a trade and it's currently running. I took a trade on this, where was it? Yes, this candle over here. I was seeing that we had like some double tops over here. And of course, because I have been, waiting for those sells for a long time, I decided to take this trade and I target 60 pips. So currently this trade of mine is running. I just muted it, but this is the current trade that I have. But if I didn't have this trade, then I would be looking for something like that, the retracement and then going up. This is not a signal, please. This is my trading strategy, what I think. So of course, I'm not too sure. You can also let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think that maybe price will continue pushing up, or do you think that price might break and then maybe confirm those sells? Who knows? Who knows? So yeah, that's basically what I'd be looking at today if I didn't have an entry. But because I do have an entry, I will leave that running and hope for the best. Okay, so going over to, let's look at the dollar index so we can see what is really going on. Okay, so I'm just going to go to the daily time frame so we can see that, yeah, with the daily, we are pushing upwards. I don't know if this is a fib retracement. Let me see. Okay, yeah, so we have a reaction at the 61.8% fib level. Some bullish candles forming now. 4-hour, we can see, yeah, I'm hoping that we push up because I'm also bullish on the dollar. So let's see how it goes. But yeah, I'm predicting that maybe the dollar can continue just pushing up so that I can confirm those sells on the pound. All right, going over to the calendar just to see what's happening today. I am based in Kenya, so this is 5 p.m. East African time. We have Mr. Powell is testifying today. It's a red folder. I normally filter my news just to give me USD news, pound news, and euro news. And yeah, and most of them are in the red folder. So Thursday 9 a.m. we have some pound news. 3:30 p.m. East African time we have some, oh gosh, CPI. Okay, so I have to be careful on Thursday and see what's happening. Maybe just to go on the euro, I want to see what's happening on the euro because I use the euro USD for correlation. That's why it's here. And we can see the euro made a very nice double top over here. So I'm also hoping that the euro now continues to sell because, yeah, I've also been using this for correlation and I'm hoping that now it will sell because when the euro is selling, it most probably likely means that the pound is selling as well. So yeah, that's my analysis for today. I hope I made sense. Please subscribe, share to your people who trade the pound. This is the only pair I trade, by the way. Yeah, so stay tuned for my next video and have a good day. Bye-bye.